In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive or delete deals in Pipedrive. If you're cleaning up your pipeline, there are two ways to handle old or irrelevant deals. Archiving is perfect when you want to keep the record for reporting and history, while deleting is for when you're absolutely sure you never need the deal again. Let's walk through both, step by step, so you can choose the right option with confidence. We'll start with the new archive option. Begin by opening your Pipedrive workspace and heading to Deals. Locate the deal you want to manage and click it to open the full deal view. Once you're on the deal page, look for the three-dot menu, usually in the upper right corner of the screen. Click that menu to see additional options. From there, choose Archive. If Pipedrive asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the action. That's it. The deal is now removed from your active pipeline, which helps keep your board focused and uncluttered, but it's still safely stored in the background for records and reporting. Archiving is designed to be reversible, so it's a safe choice when you want a cleaner view without losing important history, notes, or activity data that your reports may rely on. Now let's cover deleting a deal, which is a permanent action. Just like before, go to Deals, find the specific deal you want to remove, and click it to open the detail view. Open the three-dot menu again. This time, select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm. Click Delete to finish. Keep in mind, deleting permanently removes the deal and its associated data from your account. It won't appear in your pipeline, and it won't be available for future reference or reporting. Because this can't be undone, double-check that no one on your team needs the record for forecasting, compliance, or historical analysis before you proceed. To wrap up, remember the core difference. Archive gives you a reversible, safe storage option that clears your active pipeline while preserving data for reporting. Delete permanently removes the deal and its history. Choose Archive when you want to tidy up without losing information. Choose Delete only when you're certain the record is no longer needed. And that's all you need to know to archive or delete deals in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.